On the previous occasion, I had taught you about the thermal expansion, or sorry, relationship among the various scale. So today I am telling to you about the thermal expansion. Thermal means heat. With the help of heat, how a material is getting expanded. That is called thermal expansion. So according to the nature of material, there may be the various kind of expansion. Number 1, that is called linear expansion. Number 2, superficial expansion. Number 3, volumetric expansion. Either the length can increase, area can increase, or volume can increase of any material. So these are called three kind of expansion. Units of thermal expansion. So for that you have to study coefficient of linear expansion. So see, this is very important. Suppose there is a material which is having length L. On providing it certain heat, its length has increased by delta L. Let I had provided it how much higher temperature? Delta T is the change in temperature, due to which its length has been increased by delta L. Then see, let what happened in this. Initial length was L, the final length has become L dash, and delta L is change in length or increase in length. That is called thermal expansion. So here expansion, linear expansion is directly proportional to change in temperature, linear expansion is directly proportional to initial length. Combining these two rules together, so I got L minus delta L, that is change in length, is directly proportional to initial length into delta T. Replacing this proportionality sign with alpha, so it had become L dash minus L is equal to alpha into L minus this. So from here I can find out L dash is equal to this plus this, or alpha is equal to, I can find out delta L upon L into delta T. What is alpha here? Coefficient of linear expansion. So this is delta L is increase in length, L is initial length, and delta T is rise in temperature. So this is the coefficient of linear expansion. How we can define coefficient of linear expansion? The coefficient of linear expansion of a material of a solid rod is defined as increase in length per unit length on increasing the temperature by unit T. So this is the definition we had derived from this formula only. So this is about the linear expansion. In the same manner, we have to study about the superficial expansion and volumetric expansion. Thank you.